Today we're evaluating the Bluevua X7-600 gallons per day RO tankless reverse osmosis system. This is a great system. It came packaged really well. The RO system has 3 stages. It's sat in this really good packaging here on the top and bottom to protect it during shipping. There's 3 filters that it comes with. If you look at the top here, it will tell you when to replace each filter, the PCP, the RO, or the CTO filter. The PCP filter is polypropylene activated carbon filter. It removes dirt, corrosion, sediment, redworms, sand, and other physical particles to protect the back filters. The RO is the second stage, reverse osmosis membrane. This removes bacterial, virus, antibiotics, and other harmful substances, heavy metal, and pesticide residues from water. And then the CTO filter is basically to enhance the taste of the water. So, and it's also important, pay attention to how often you have to replace these. So this improves the taste. The RO filter you should replace every 2 years, and the polypropylene activated carbon filter replace every year. The instructions are pretty clear. They tell you exactly how to hook the system up. It comes with 3 different colored tubings. The white tube is for the inlet water, the blue tube is the clean water, and the black tube is for the drain line. And these actually connect right into the top of the system. So the middle is the inlet water, on the right is the drain line, and on the left is the clean water line, and then the AC power plugs into the black port on the right, upper right. You also get a free filter for buying the system. It's a great deal for the money. It's really not that large, and it fits nicely underneath your kitchen cabinet. This is everything else that it comes with. You have the drain line that's included, the AC power adapter. There's a DC switch that actually plugs in and gives you sound, and it'll have an alarm and beep if there's any sort of leak in the system itself, or if there's a leak on the water. That'll also stop the leak or shut the system off and alert you. Great job on the system. If there's any questions, Bluevua has a customer support line to help you actually install the system. But so far, I really like it. It's even got a plastic cover that goes over the front, so it's aesthetically pleasing once all the filters are actually installed. And one of the other benefits with Bluevua is they're environmentally friendly. And what you'll see here is from their packaging, environmentally friendly, reducing the amount of bottles that you consume every year, so that's good for the environment. And then this is also how we renew your life by providing safe drinking water, so it's healthy for all parts of your body. I'd say give it a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed.